We all know that in order for you to track your profit and how well your business is doing, you need some kind of tracking device or tracking tool. And Clickmagick, I find it to be the best tracking tool because it lets you know on every time somebody opt in, everybody visit your thank you page, opt in page, clicked on a button. It also has the cloaking feature where it allows you to basically customize your link. For example, when you go to send a bit.ly shortened link that's made by bit.ly, it gets flagged on Facebook and other places. That's what cloaking is. Clickmagick allows you to customize your link so you never have that problem. If we read some of the features here, first of all, it says track and optimize all your marketing. And if you guys look, come down here, look at all the features. It's jam packed with a lot of nice features. One of the features that I really like a lot is link cloaking. That's what I was explaining to you guys a minute ago, because it makes it a lot easier to move forward with a lot of the links that you're trying to advertise. Um, without it being flagged or kicked out. 24/7 link, uptime monitoring, automatic bot filtering. Basically, if you get any like uh, any bot company advertising, it blocks it automatically. It knows it's a bot. It has a lot of powerful features. Click fraud monitoring, traffic quality analysis, custom tracking domain unlimited, advanced geo-targeting and mobile optimization, effortless conversion tracking of any action on sale, multimode link rotator, and retargeting pixel to any link. Yeah, this is a really cool feature here. Add retargeting pixels to any link. Basically, you can monitor anything that goes on with your funnel. It's very, very powerful. Dynamic affiliate links. You can also add that to your affiliate links and monitor everything. You can have a pie or bar graph or any kind of graph. It's all available for you within Clickmagick. Um, what else here? Network, token sub, Facebook sharing, true real-time status. Yeah, you get true real-time status, which is very powerful also.
Click bots, so you don't need your mini chat anymore for your Facebook messaging. And then there's email campaigns. So if there's a certain campaign, a sequence of emails that you want to use again, instead of saving it as just a sequence, you can save it as an email campaign separately and maybe run it again a couple times a year, whatever you want. So all of that, you can get rid of your autoresponder. Everything is right here. Now, you've been in business for a while and you want to build your own course, or you want to have your own product that you want to allow other people to sell. So you've been an affiliate. Now you want to be the vendor. You want to be the person to create the product and let other people earn money and commissions off of your product. It's under here in Backpack. Everything is set up for you right here that you can start your business as a vendor as well and have let other people earn the commissions off your products. And some of you have built courses and you have to go to other programs like Kajabi and build it over there and then try to sell it. Well, it's all right here. Build your course in ClickFunnels, build your affiliate program in ClickFunnels. So everything's a one-stop shop. Now, before we go on, I do want to show you how easy it is to build a funnel. You just click this button here, funnel, or I'm going to build one here. It says new funnel. We're going to build a new funnel. And then there's another way that you can do it. We're going to hit new over here. Now, before I hit that button, this is some funnels that I've built. You can see like I have a demo tab here. I can build my funnels and then organize them under different headings. All right, so that's really nice. You can organize them any way you want. But this cookbook builder process, Russell Brunson has created a cookbook to explain to you exactly how a funnel works. I actually got that right away. It was free. Pick it up so that you understand. There are 3 different reasons you would want to build a funnel: to collect emails, sell a product, or host a webinar. Now, I selected sell your product. And when you go in, they're going to ask you to give it a name. We did a sales funnel, give it a name and put it in a group. Now I already did that. Now, once you get in there, you can select which template that you want to use. All these templates are here for you to use. And the neat thing is, once you become an expert and you create your own template, maybe you have finally you decided that you've already know what your branding looks like and you want your own template, you can create it from scratch and then save it and always pick it up when you build a new funnel. But look over here, you have your squeeze page, your sales page, order form, order confirmation, thank you. Everything is built for you. I don't know about you, but if you've ever tried to build a website, that's not all laid out for you. You have to go in and build it, and it takes more time, and then you have to add a lot of plugins. Everything is here for you. You don't have to do that. It's really a lot easier. So there you have it. That's the basic tutorial of how to get around. What does ClickFunnels do? Remember, it's a one-stop shop. I want to give you one more link that if you're already a serious business person, you've been familiar with ClickFunnels, and you think you're ready to go beyond the 14-day free trial, or even after 14 days, I want you to save this link, and it's going to take you to a webinar where Russell Brunson. Save the link. Don't click it yet because it only gives you 48 hours to go in there and use it. But check out your 14-day free trial. And before you make any decisions, go look at the webinar. And there's a lot of free training offered to you if you purchase a larger package for a year. And again, you have to know that you're serious. If you're not, I wouldn't recommend doing this. And then you can save $600 off the year and get lots of free training that goes with it. There's traffic secrets, different things like that Russell offers. So again, it's all in the webinar, and all the links are below. You have a 14-day free trial, the cookbook, and the 1-year offer. I hope this was helpful.